The opposition has questioned the government over the secret Cabinet Committee on Security note on the nuclear deal.
The government's stand on this matter will have to be made very clear, because nuclear energy today, even if the government wants to actively have nuclear energy brought into this country, it has to do by two things. One, by complying with the law which has been passed in 2010, particularly on the matters of liability, civil liability, which was passed in 2010, and also from the point of view of convincing the people of India about its intentions. It cannot have set of rules framed to implement a law which was passed in the parliament, which goes against the law itself, which contradicts the law itself, and then tell us, oh no, this is a commercial thing. Just as they were saying, the criminality of any kind of corruption that they've conducted is a matter of the court, and it's not for media or the people to talk about it. Congress can play around with words, but ultimately what is important is they have to come clean on certain things on which the perception is that they're not being true to the law.
I tried to say to them that the law of our country, both the parliamentary legislation as well as the rules and regulations that have been framed, we believe sincerely and honestly do address their concerns adequately. But this is a matter of conversation, of discussion, of agreement, and I hope that in due course we will be able to come to a common view on this.
I think we're close, yes. On civil liability, as I said, not just the US, I mean Indian domestic suppliers, other foreign partners have all asked questions, how will this law work? How will it apply? And they need to know in order to do business. And we're in the process of addressing those questions with them individually and as a whole, so that we ourselves also have clarity. It's in our interest as well. We don't want to be surprised tomorrow in the way it works. And so we will work our way through those issues.
On the move of the government to purchase atomic power plants from America without due diligence, bypassing the Atomic Commission, is disastrous. This hurried move that is being taken cannot be supported by any means. Atomic power plants are very sensitive plants. We need power, of course, but we do not need power from plants whose working condition is not properly evaluated by experts. And experts are there only in the Atomic Commission. If they are bypassed, then how the ministry, how the government, how the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs can pass it?